So how do I manage invoices in the online an online store, right? So what we're gonna have to do first, let's actually go to our online store, and from here we're gonna click on manage store. Now from here we're gonna have to go to create, or if you want to send invoices. So let's go to order, and now from here we have just some testing orders too I've created, so I can show you here. Now from here you can create invoice. Say, do you want to create an invoice for order? Preview invoice. This is just a testing email, but you can add your information, country, and then you can click on create invoice. Now you can download, print, or send. From here, you can also mark as paid, mark as fulfilled. So that's how you pretty much take care of your invoices. So yeah, if you have more questions, leave your questions down below. Thanks for watching. And take care.